defense team na pag-usapan natin. So there are 19 ba na defense lawyers?
16.
16.
16
oo.
yan, sige.
Plus ikaw, kasama ka naman doon sa 16.
Opo, kasama na po.
Oo. Alam naman natin na, well, I speak only for myself. May mga mababait na mga abogado that lawyers have some of the biggest egos in the country.
It's true.
So, how are the dynamics, if you don't mind, in general terms? Paano kung may disagreement with respect to strategy, legal interpretation, etc.? Paano nyo nare-resolve? 16 lawyers kayo.
Natural naman po yan. As you say, diba, you have 10 lawyers in the room, you have 12, 15 opinions. But I think what works is we're working with a law firm. No? Well, may sarili akong firm, but ako lang naman talaga yung main na nasa impeachment. And then, we're working with Fortuna, Narvaez, and Salazar. No?
Yes, oo.
So, since may law firm ka, medyo it's different from putting 16 individuals together. Sa isang law firm, meron ng reporting lines dyan, may hierarchy na, kumbaga. So, we just work within the Fortuna, Narvaez system. Siyempre, si Sheila Season, who will be our lead counsel, really, is a partner in FNS. So, siya talaga yung, kumbaga, lahat kami may opinion, but at the end of the day, lahat din kami, kung anong sabihin ng lead firm, no? Talagang we will just have to set aside the ego and just abide by kung anong direction ng team. But more importantly, I think everyone is passionate naman sa team to really just parang itabi muna natin yung mga ego natin. Ang kailangan natin dito is madepensahan ng vice-presidente. So, it's easier said than done, but it's easier in our case kasi nga we're working with a law firm na meron ng, kumbaga hindi ka na maghahanap sino magsusulat nito, sino magre-research nito. Meron na. And then it just comes up to us for
May
review.
follow-up lang ako before we go to Ina's question. Nabanggit mo na yung Fortune Narvasa. I hope you don't mind this question. Wala bang awkwardness considering that Sig Fortune is the brother-in-law of the Remulias?
To be honest, wala. Because si Attorney Sig, before the defense team was formed, alam naman natin na yung background niya. And I believe in Attorney Sig. I sat down with Attorney Sig early on, and very professional yung tao. No? So siya naman talaga, alam naman natin mga abogado, hindi naman maiwasan yung conflict. May minsan may kamag-anak ka na ganito.
Yes.
No? But very professional naman siya. And I've seen how he's fought for his clients. And I'm confident that, and I've seen it actually, that he's doing the same for the Vice President.
Okay. Ina?
Yes po. Ito po, attorney, curious lang po kami. Bilang legal counsel po ni VP Sara Duterte, ano pong isang bagay na gusto po ninyong malaman ng publiko tungkol sa kanya?
She's very different doon sa, I guess, pinoproject sa kanya sa social media.
Diba? Yeah.
Siguro dalawang bagay on the professional aspect. Very decisive yung ating Vice Presidente. No? Alam niya kung anong gusto niyang gawin para sa bansa. Alam niya kung anong gusto niyang
Chief
gawin
of
sa
the old
trabaho
block
niya.
talaga.
Oo.
Visionary.
And when she decides, yun na yun.
Yun na yun.
Very decisive. And you need that in a leader.
Yes.
Yeah, oo.
On the personal level, ano siya, very simple person.
And makulit din po. May mga ganun siyang
Makulit,
side.
makulit. Very
You would
simple
know. You would know,
person.
Ina.
And I think it's really more of, makikita mo siya bilang kung gaano siya kabuting tao, bilang
Sobra.
kaibigan at bilang isang ina. Yun talagang...
Tulad nung ginawa po niya kay Attorney Zulaika Lopez, talagang hindi niya iniwanan.
Ay,
Ah,
grabe
ganun talaga.
yun.
Grabe
Pinipako ron.
yun. Doon ako
Nakipag-away pa siya.
namangha
Oo.
talaga sa
She
kanya.
really values the people who work with her.
Yes, tama.
And kaya kumbaga hindi ka magdadalawang isip na to stick with her all throughout dahil nakita mo talaga yung sincerity niya sa tao.
Speaking of VP Sara, nandiyan na rin tayo sa topic na yan. Without going to any privileged information, is there any particular conversation na pwede mo i-share sa amin na that has stuck to your mind na tumatak sa iyong isipan with respect to VP Sara?
It's more of the private conversations that we have. Yung
Without revealing anything.
More on the personal level siguro. Yun yung masasabi ko. Kasi nga, ang parat kong sinasabi is, iba siya doon sa mga pinoportray sa kanya sa SOCMED or sa TV, pag may problema ka, she will really listen. So, pag nagsasabi ako ng problema kong personal, she will really listen, give me advice, and help me accept things the way they are now.
Pati ba love life?
Sinishare niyo po ba ang
Sinishare
love
naman.
Pati
text?
love life actually.
So pwede din pala siyang
Tama.
love guru din
Love
pala.
guru.
Doon, no?
Opo.
So, well, I think it's experience. Kasi
Although I
nga-
beg to disagree, pero go ahead.
No, I think it's experience since I've also been working with the principal for quite some time. So I think I was the natural choice. Pero hindi naman po magiging permanently na ako lang, lalong-lalo na when we go into the trial proper. Siyempre, hindi natin kakayanin because aside from media, I have to also do the legal work with the team. So I'm planning, the team is planning to at least have siguro mga 2 or 3 more that will help me out with media engagements. I think we've seen in the past impeachment proceedings na nagkakaroon naman talaga ng mga 2 or 3 spokespersons talaga para sa defense team. Importante kasi na maintindihan ng taong bayan yung proseso. Kasi tayong mga abogado, nagkakaintindihan tayo dyan Pero sa taong bayan, kailangan natin maipaliwanag talaga kung ano yung naganap. So I think communication is very important. Kaya we will be having 2 or 3.
Lalo-lalo na ngayon, full blast yung prosecution. They're everywhere sa media.
Yes,
Trying to explain na hindi pa bawal sa House rules yun. O sa rules ng Senate.
Well,
o
sa
court.
Senate, of course, I don't want to comment dun sa ginagawa ng prosecution. I'm sure, napag-isipan nila, they have their own strategy. We'll respect that. Ako, pinalaki ako attorney sa law school na hindi naman tayo nakipagbangayan sa kapwa abogado unless it's within, the court. Diba? The court proceedings. So, hayaan na lang natin. But sa akin, it's more of, it's more of, kami, we're just quiet now kasi unang-una, tayong defense diba? So, intayin muna natin kung ano mga ilalabas
Yes.
talaga nila na depensa.
I wanted
bago
to say
tayo
na
sumagot.
iba yung pagpapalaki sa akin kaso hindi na ako lumaki
Yun nga,
Pero
sasabihin ko
naman,
din sana yun
in the sense na ako war freak ako We're completely opposite Kaya ginagalang ko to It takes more effort to
Tama.
exercise restraint than
Kaya
to
nga
go all out actually.
But I also admire din your style, Attorney Ferdy, Kasi yan yung, nakikita ko talaga how passionate you are when you fight for your client. So, definitely, lawyers are built differently kasi.
Yes, yes.
So, but
Tama
you see
naman.
the good in all the different styles.
Yun din naman po ang hinahangaan ko sa inyong dalawa. Ikaw naman po, attorney, kasi parang kahit binabatikos ka na ng media, talagang you're very composed and very professional the way you respond to media.
Kasi Ma'am Ina, gusto ko sana, at least yung approach ko, factual lang tayo. Let's
Yes.
be as objective as possible. Unang-una,
Ang galing.
siguro kwento ko muna, hindi naman ako nag-apply as spokesperson sa DepEd So at that time, the Vice President was looking for someone with experience
Yes.
sa GSIS. Kasi gusto niyang tulungan yung mga problema ng mga teachers sa mga GSIS loans, etc. So,
Kaya-
merong nagrekomenda sa akin, nakakilala niya. So when I applied, I actually didn't apply for any position. Nagkataon lang after the panel interviews, the Vice President probably, I don't know what she saw, but she spoke to me and asked if I wanted to be, if I could
Wow.
accept being a spokesperson. I was very hesitant at first kasi hindi ko
Talaga?
talaga, wala akong experience, hindi ko ito trabaho.
Pero talagang he is very composed. May kasabihan nga, di ba? It is better to be composed than to decompose. Mahirap naman yun.
Ito talaga si attorney. Talagang naisingit pa niya.
Anyway, sabi mo kanina sa akin, nung minimake-upan tayo, ang dami mong questions. So, shoot.
Kaya nga. Attorney
questions,
Powa, curious lang ako kasi Powa is a Chinese surname, right?
Apo, yes.
Are you a Chinese?
Yes, my family is Chinese. But obviously, yung lolo ko pa lang, nandito na siya sa Pilipinas. So,
Talaga po.
we're more Filipino than Chinese.
Born and raised po kayo dito sa
Oo,
Philippines.
oo. My parents and my dad was born and raised na rin here in the Philippines. So,